ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Kasurokba nika National Highway 6 Hapo East Gentle Hills District Klarang sniu shu kat banang mi kisngi kipor bat menta la keno bade gajing slap lenter ke bel pentuai ki lum ki ding bat rong ki mau ha gajing lenti jong ko nakadaw jong gajing slap jur ha kami jong kisngi ublei gajing tua jong khendo bat ki mau ba kla jabyang ha ke step jong kisngi ningkong bat belawan ra gajing dheng kali ke bejor Habashim kia ke jinglong jingman jong ni surok ba ke MLA jong su tengah saipung constituency ke Kong Santa Mary Shilla ha ke atrik unailar kelahir syarishnong kuliang banjurep ye ke jing tua khendo ba benlum jing khen ye ke jinglong jingman kumju benwat kilat kelenti benweng ye ke jing e ke baju jah ke ni ke jakaman kapor ha ke ni ke jing jurep lai dan long deputy commissioner ke East Gentle Hills district u Shivanish Awashthi IAS ber SP ke district Giri Prasad project director NHAI bat kiwe Kekong Santa Mary Shilla kelong jinglong jingman jong surok NH6 ha East Gentia khamtam halum shnong nadu malidor kelong ke besni hadu kata-kata bagi pat ke don kenong rim ban kentho ye ke NHAI bat ke sarkar jilla hande kelong ruk badan kam ban sngungu ye ke sarkar bat ke NHAI namar kile ye badan kam ha ke bede ban pendap ye ke jing marmot ya ke ni ke surok hande wat la kata kelong bakadon ke jing e ke bakraw namar ke jinglong ke sun meneng ke penlong ye ke jing sange trekam
whatever temporary works can be done immediately and hopefully in September when the rain reduces then major work can be done. And also we are not able to go all the way to Lavachara because of the landslide. We are stuck there and you can see our people here, they're all waiting here for the landslide to be here from our side. So that is all that we want to see and I urge our people and my people in the constituency, especially Kannada people, that be patient, we understand your suffering and this weather has happened a lot, the losses a lot people and for the government as a whole. We urge that this
Yeah.
कल में सैटरडे में निकला है
We have made traffic arrangements accordingly. So we have informed charge of Patera and Yang. I want all the heavy vehicles coming from Assam. Alternate routes. And also we have published in the media also that all the commuters of NH6 shall travel with caution and avoid taking this route for like vehicles that is necessary.
When landslide happens here, in the direction of deploying more machinery here at the city. There are places where frequently landslide happens. We are moving more machinery for that place.
मेघालय का बॉर्डर पे
At this time, we are in within 2 hours because one excavator is also coming here. Expensive work for 1 year, but due to rain, we are unable to do the work at that pace. The bituminous work and concrete work can't be done in this heavy rain. But I think from mid of September, we will start the bituminous and concrete work. It will take 3 to 4 months to complete the work.
What about that side? Did you keep any vehicles that side, the campsite?
Yeah. There is no machinery deployed that side because yesterday night and today morning there is a tunnel area, Sonapur area, and there are frequently 4 landslide happened every morning. So we have deployed more machinery there.
But so far in this Nagpur area, right from Singapore to Kerala, how many UCD you are keeping here?
Yeah. There are 2 excavators and 3 JCBs are working at present.
Only?
And other, these are for filling of landslide. Other is working filling of GSD or mineral material on the road because there are some roads.
आप जरा बात कीजिए ना, आप जरा बात कीजिए।
What is your...
कल तक आ
Do
जाएगा।
you have any
कल आ
plan to
जाएगा।
keep more vehicles?
वीडियो बना दिया सब कुछ है।
What is safety of the
रोड में आ रहा है, नेटवर्क भी नहीं है जब बात है।
This heavy rain,
अलवर सर से बात
some more machinery will be required. This heavy rain, more machinery will be required. I am arranging for that machinery to contact.